How to set up two-step verification online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-step verification. This extra layer of security helps protect your account in case someone tries to log in from another device. So let's get started. First, open the Line app. Now go to your home tab and tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down and tap on account. Right here, tap on it. Now scroll down until you see two-factor authentication right here. Okay, just toggle it on. This here, toggle it on like this. Here, once enabled, anytime someone logins to your account from another device like a computer or a new phone, Line will prompt them to enter a verification code inside your mobile app. This gives you control and awareness of all sign-in attempts. So make sure to toggle this on whenever you install the Line app. And that's it. Enabling two-factor verification may sound like an extra step, but it's one of the best ways to secure your Line account. So I hope you liked this guide. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.